Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove emoji from a picture with the CapCut application. You must be thinking that CapCut is used for video editing, but you're totally wrong because the CapCut itself, it also can edit your picture. You just need to open the CapCut application and you just need to take a look on this top side. There will be like a photo editor. Just go tap it and you just need to pick the picture containing emoji on it and go click edit. The next thing you need to do is just take a look on this bottom features, and then you just need to go click these shapes. Now pick the shapes. I would like to use these circles, and go click this style, pick the color to find the color that we want. Make sure that you pick the nearest area with the emoji, and then you just need to drag it into the top of emoji that appear on your picture. Whenever you're done, you just need to simply click checklist button here, and now you're done, and you just need to export this picture, and that's all. So that is the way how you can remove emoji with the CapCut. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.